Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of glitch. On the application of NFL, we go to settings. In this page, we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about NFL and you can click. Here in this page of app info, we click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of NFL. And as you see here, you can uninstall your app and then you can install it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.